Eliminate errors from your chain configuration process. With US Tsubaki's one-of-a-kind chain configurator, you can easily assemble custom chain configurations online and receive a free CAD download of your design. Let's check it out. From US Tsubaki's homepage, go to Chain Configurator. First, select from the drop-down options on the left to customize your part. Next, drag and drop your preferred chain segments into the box below and build your chain to fit your design. Select Generate 3D to launch an interactive preview of your designed part. In this window, you can move, zoom, and rotate your part to view it from any angle. When you're ready to download your model, choose from nearly 100 CAD formats and versions to download your chain configuration as a native CAD file. You can also receive an interactive product datasheet of your configuration, which you can easily share with your team. And when you're ready, you can submit a quote request of your design chain directly to US Tsubaki. Lastly, click CAD Download to receive your free 3D CAD model. Now you can test that part directly in your virtual design. Time to leave the errors and labor of manual chain configuration behind. Go to ustsubaki.com to use the chain configurator today, and check out partsolutions.com to learn how your company can improve your digital customer experience.